Hello everyone, can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? So we have given 4 equal 20, 5 equal 30, 6 equal 40, then 9 equal what? So do you know the logic behind it? If you already cracked the logic, comment down below and watch my solution in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look. 4 equal 20, 5 equal 30, 6 equal 40. 4 equal 20, you can say that 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 6 is 30. But 6 times what is 40? Nothing, because this logic does not fit here. Any other logic? Yes. So we can do the square. So 4 square is 16. And if we round off 16, we get it 20. Similarly, 5 square is 25. If we round off 25, it is nearest to 30. 6 square is 36 and round off 36 is 40. So 9 square is 81 and when we do round off to the nearest 10, it gives us 80. So what replaces the question mark? 80. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.